Hi, I'm Mark Beck, and thank you for taking this virtual tour of your new home at 8716 Stark Avenue in Kansas City, Missouri, 64138. We're still putting some finishing touches on the home, but we wanted to give you folks an opportunity to purchase it before we list it on the multiple listing service. This 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath home sits 4 houses away from Raytown city limits. And you're welcome, you and your guests are welcomed into the home by a new entry patio. The pavers are reclaimed old street bricks from a city out in Kansas, which we were told by the supplier we purchased them from anyway. And so you can feel good that your new home has quality recycled materials incorporated into it, along with some historical value. We'll go ahead and go through the freshly painted front door here into the lower or the downstairs entry, and you're greeted here. You've got a new light fixture, seated glass light fixture there, and we've also got some freshly stained stairs here with new painted trim. And we'll go ahead and head upstairs, and first view you get up here is of the kitchen, the updated kitchen, which we will get a better look as we go around the other way here. Got a large, spacious living room with the 3 large windows there that give you a good view looking down onto the front yard. And fireplace has been updated with new paint, and we built a new simple box mantle. And we've got the dining room here, and dining room and living room and hall and bedrooms all have hardwood flooring. And there's new light fixtures throughout as well. Here's the dining fixture. And the kitchen here has been updated. We've got the new light fixtures in here over the sink and in the main fixture as well. And the cabinets have been updated to a shaker look. And we've got the subway tile that with the black grout gives it a good bold statement to your kitchen. And you're going to love the new countertops and your undermount sink, pull down faucet, and you can look out the window, see your squirrels and birds in your backyard while you work here in your kitchen. Also have a new flooring in the kitchen as well, and the appliances are quality GE appliances there that you'll be able to enjoy. And you'll have the extra storage, plenty of added storage with the custom built floating shelves there as well. Gives a little added room. The flow of this kitchen is nice because you come up from the living room, you can walk through the dining room here and then back around right through to the hallway. So easy to get around here. And then you've got the hall bathroom. Hall bathroom has tile surround, updated fixtures, nice vanity. Tile floor in there as well. And of course just a simple linen closet here. Hall does have a attic fan here, so that helps with the cooling, so you don't have to always use your air conditioner. We'll go in the master bedroom here. Master bedroom has a closet on this side. And the half bath in the master, we've got new tile floor in there. Let's take a quick look at the other 2 bedrooms. Go ahead and take a look downstairs now. Downstairs has another room that could be used as a living area or possibly another bedroom. Add a door on, install a door here and have it as another bedroom here. Nice, good size room here. And then we've got the utility room. Updated electrical box there. And then another closet under the stairs, and then this garage. Got some construction materials that need to be cleaned up out of there from the work here, so we'll take a look at that later at another time. We'll go ahead and take a look around outside. Take a quick look up here on the north side. Previous owner had this drain system put in by Olshan. I think it's about 7 years ago, I believe. You can look at the paperwork and we'll get the exact date. And they also put anchors on this back wall, sunk anchors in the backyard to hold that back wall in, and so the drainage system comes around the back and along the side here. So that's a good benefit there. Backyard has these nice shade trees that'll be nice in the summertime, and you've got new construction homes that are being built behind you, so that's going to definitely help that should definitely help the value of the property. There's some that are occupied, some that are just currently being built as well. So nice large fenced backyard. There's a possibly a pad for a shed. Not sure what that was used for over there. As a concrete ramp that I assume was used for a shed there. So already ready for you to put your new storage shed on. Roof was put on in 2019, so you've got practically a brand new roof. I believe it was October 2019 when that was put on. So a nice home here close to Cerner, not too far from Cerner, and a lot of other areas of Kansas City are 15 minutes or less away. Downtown Kansas City, the Independence Center, Raymore, so everything's pretty close here. So if you'd like a personal virtual tour, we can set that up. Just give me a call, 816-401-3544, and we'll set that up so you can have any questions answered that you might have. Appreciate you taking a look, and look forward to talking to you soon.